So hi guys, so in this video we want to create a new application because we removed the .NET application that we have before, and let's create a new one. And we are going to name this code.net, mkdir code.net. And if we go to code.net, we are going to .NET new web API, and then let's start from here. Let's open our .NET. This .NET, we don't like this .NET. We want to replace this with something like maybe customers, right? And we all want to rename this to customers, and we want to delete that, and then remove that, and then let's create a new one. Async. Hey, why are you too slow? Async action result get, then return, okay, and then HTTP get, so it will be the default one, and then we want to get the list of strings here for the customers equals to new list of customers, and the customers are Vlad, Walt, Mimi, and no, this one will be Walt, Will, Ramesses, Crawford, and then this one here is JX, and we want to return that to as the response. So that is the customers. All right, pull that. All right, so let's remove this, delete that, and then if we .NET run that, ding, all right, and then let's listen to that. Oh, listen, let's visit that here. Advance, accept, then go to customers. So we have our customers here. Now we want to dockerize this baby girl, and then put docker file in here, and then let us copy and paste whatever docker file we have before. Hold on, I will let you guys see my docker file. I just need to find it first here in the main monitor. Just hold on, dream away, you're my sweet. All right, so this one here, and we are in .NET 6, and we should change this to .NET 6. It's because we have prior issues with .NET 7 when we use it in Elastic Beanstalk, so I don't want to waste time asking why. Let's just use .NET 6 for now. Okay, code.net. No, we want to change it all at once. So we want to change this to code.net. It's going to, right, let's review. Okay. Code.net. All right, so let's go and go to ECR. Where's our ECR here? Right, and then create a new repository, public. So this one will be code.net, and then yeah, code.net. Create that baby girl, and then once that is created, let's go and take note of that. So let's go to this one here, right there, and then let's get the URI there, code.net. All right, so after that we want to push to code.net. So view the push command. All right, so stop that and then log in, build code.net. So login succeeded. Let's build code.net, and our next command, oops, repositories code.net. Push command is to tag. Our next command is to tag. Let's review the Docker file again. Yeah, it will expose port 80, expose 443. Yeah, so that won't be a problem. Say your prayers at the one. Don't forget my son. To include everyone. Let's tuck you in. Always been. Rick up people sin. And to turn it on one. Sleeping when one eye open. Screaming and feel tight. Exhale light into night. Take my hand. Raft and never land. Alright, so that was created and what's the last command? Yeah, build, and then we're going to tag that. Then after tagging, we want to push. Alright, pushing, and that will take some years to finish. Okay, and yeah, okay, so here we want to put a dot get ignore. We want to ignore the bin and the obj. Get ignore. Yeah. So much butterfly. Sipping on I open code.net get status. Not a getter, but get init. Get init. Get config. yeah, get branch master get init. Right, so right, and then let's check here again. It's pushing. It might take a while. Boom, boom, bam, 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 boom, bam, 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 bam. Something's wrong, something's right. Savage is tonight, and then do I talk you in? Now it's been but you bumps in and when one eye open, screaming his feel outside, exhale light, enter night. Take my hand, rough the never land. Take my hand, rough the never So Netherlands is going to transfer 42 F-16 to Ukraine, and I'm looking at how much is an F-16 cost. So um, it's how much is this? One, two, three, four. Uh, 63 million. Is ending with a nobody here. Should you and me? So I wanna be. Forget. All right, so that was uploaded, and let's close this. So refresh, we should have an image now, and then let's go to our task definition. Then let's create a new task definition. This time it will be jx.net task def Fargate. This one would be code.net, and this one where's the ARN? Go to repositories, URI. Yeah, we just need the URI. Alright, the URI is there. Code.net port 80. Right, so let's create the task definition. Go to the cluster, create the service. The service code.net jx.net service. Right, and then we don't need a load balancer. Let's create that, and then let's wait for it to finish. And then once that is done, let's clean up and then go to sleep. Mhm, mhm. Right, go to the service, go to the task. Task is already running. There should be an IP in here. Let's go, and then let's go to customers. There you go, we have it. So now this shouldn't be a problem. So let's first delete this. Delete our guys here. Alright, delete. Thank you so much for your service. you're going to be deleted, right? And then let's delete, what's that? Deploying, it's already deleted, bro. So let's delete the cluster. So let's delete this cluster, and then this one, go here, and then deregister, and this one here, the node, we will also deregister. Okay, so that was cleaned. Now we want to where's this? Yeah, I want to first commit this, right? Are we recording? Are we still recording? No, we're still recording. So let's close this. Now we want to use this to deploy this one. Use this to deploy our .NET again, and let's build a code deployment for this one. So okay, so let's create the go to the AWS 2023 AWS, ECS AWS. All right, so let's create the ALB, and then let's prepare the deployment notes. So we have the ALB, we will copy that, then paste that in here. Now we want to create a target group. So the target group will be created, and this will give us the target group ARN, and then let's combine this. Let's pick up this ALB, then this target groups ARN. Then let us create the listener, and that too will give us its ARN. And then let's create the second target group, right? And it will give us another ARN. So get the ARN and put that here. And then for the listener, the second listener, you want to use that target group in there, and then the ALB will be in here, and then let us create that second listener. Alright, the second listener will have that ARN, and then for the cluster, we want to create the cluster now. Create the cluster, it will give us another ARN. Get the ARN in here, and then put that in there. For the test group, test def, we already have a test def. So let's just use that test def, or we want to create, we want to use a test def that is .NET, but .NET 2, maybe just here, and then this one here, .NET 02, And then in here in our test diff, there's our .NET. Then let's rename this .NET 02. Remove the copy, and this .NET 02. We will just replace this code.net in here, and then in our ECR code.net, we will copy that and put that in here, right? So it's all using port 80, so there should be no problem. Go back to the README and then execute this. Execute that. Hopefully everything is fine. Everything is fine. Let's get the ARN. This is the ARN for our task diff. ARN container name is code.net, and then the image is this one, right? And then let's create the service. So the service should be this one, and then we should put 02 here because we might need to change something. Go to service .NET, copy, paste, then .NET, then 02 in here, remove the copy. So for the .NET 02, the target group ARN that it's going to use is this one, right? And the code container name is code.net. Right, and I think that's only it. And now we are ready to create our service. So let's go back to the README file and then go to the service, and then let's create the service. And hopefully there's no issue. Yeah, the service ARN is here. Let's copy that and put our service ARN in here, right? So that should be the complete one without the right. So what did I want to say? Yeah, I don't know what I want to say. I posted it because I need to log in, re-logged in. Okay, so where are we? Yeah, here. Let's go to this service, and let's go to the task. This one, there should be an IP address. Let's open this. Let's go to contact customers, and there you go. There you still have it, and that was nice. Um, let's go back here again, and then let's go to task. Is there any like network binding in here? Why is it that I can't see some network binding anymore? Yeah, but yeah. Where's the load balancer? Didn't we create a load balancer for this? Cluster services. Yeah. View the load balancer. Um, network mapping. Yeah, just get the load balancers, DNS, and replace this with DNS, and let's run that. Yep, it's still running, so it's good. Now next is we want to continue, but let us first exit that, and let's update. Let's push. The next is we want to continue. Okay, so let's create a code deploy. Right, code deploy. Then let's create a deployment group. So for the deployment group, let's see what we need to change in here. Right, this one, this one, this one. This is one. This one here, the listener. We want to update that with the latest listener that we have created. So that is our listener service rule. Okay, okay. So let's create the deployment. All right. So the deployment group. So let's call the deployment group. Right, and then the task definition. We don't want to update the task definition. We want to create the S3 bucket. Alright, so the S3 bucket is uploaded. Okay, so this will be creating the deployment. So we want to update our code.net so that we will see that the deployment um, has succeeded. Here we can add John and Ellen. All right, so let us commit that, although this is not yet no pipeline has been like completed yet. So let us re-push that. All right, hold on. Let's go to ECR. Let's push another update manually for now. Not we will not use the code build for this yet. Go to ECR and then go to our repositories, code.net, and then you push command. Yeah, just push directly. Or do we need to? Yeah, we need to, I think, rebuild. Okay, so rebuild the image, and everything has been cached already, so this should be a lot quicker. And then tag, just always tag as the latest, and then push. So hopefully this will not push everything, and it's just hopefully, yeah, all the layers have been all the layers already existed, so this is a quicker one. And yep, let's wait for it. Okay, so it's pushed. Now that it's pushed, if we refresh this, should always use the latest tag, right? So this is always the latest. Yeah, okay. So in our here, this one here, um the app spec, this app spec, we want to update that with the task definition ARN, and our task definition ARN is this one here, right? Task definition ARN, and then we want to push that, upload that to SRS3 bucket. Does not exist. What? App spec. App spec. Did we? Yeah, because we are in code deploy, man. All right, so just paste there again. Should make a copy it to the S3 bucket. Now that it's copied to the S3 bucket, we are going to create the deployment. So the deployment, we don't have to, do we have to update anything here? Yeah, it still be referencing the app spec and the S3 bucket, but hopefully when we have our pipeline, this will get picked up from the repository or in the container. But yeah, we still don't know how that looks like. And now let's create the deployment. And it's now created. Let's go to our code pipeline. Oh no, code deploy. Oops, code deploy. Code deploy. Yeah. So imagine having all of this. You keep on playing with .NET, with Amazon AWS. You'll be running a lot of good instances. Then the internet will get cut off for like 1 week. And damn. Right. So this one here has been, the deployment has been created. Let's view. Uh-oh. The container infantry does not. Oh man. Container infantry. Why is it references to container infantry? Yeah, this should be code.net. Alright, so our bad. Let's do another copy. Then let's do another deployment. Alright, so deployment number 2 is on its way. Then let's view detail. And it's building. Oh no, it's deploying. So as you can see here, this is the original traffic. It's 100%, and this is using all at once, I think, and it will just suddenly switch from 100% to 0%. It will just suddenly switch to 0%, 100%. So deploying replacement task set. Oh man, this has been fun. So our next endeavor is to have um, our containerized Angular that is going to make a request and response in a .NET container or .NET app inside our cluster. Yeah, that would, or yeah. So I think we're gonna do that first before we do the pipeline. because the pipelines are the DevOps jobs, and those connections between two services are more um, more is a developer must have um, a know-how. I can't believe things that happen to me. This that I can see a long time ago. Am I right? Help me into the night. Eat it aloud. I love in the world. All the love in the world. Na 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 na. Never survive. Oh, the do da day, oh, the do da day. Everybody sing a song, do da, do da. Everybody sing a song. Alright. I'm so sleepy. Can you make it faster? Original task set serving traffic. Replacement task not yet serving traffic. Damn. Can you please serve traffic now? How come this is too slow, man? Azure DevOps can do it faster. Or, yeah, we don't know yet. Because we still have to convert this to Azure DevOps later. Later. Silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Why is this not getting any progress? Let's time this thing. I'm going to give you an hour to, or maybe 30 minutes to deploy. Stuck on 50%. Yeah, it's stuck to install. While the ECS stack is running, ELB will constantly do health checking the container as you config in the target group to check if the container is still responding. From your debug message, the container API responded the health check path with 404. I suggest you can configure the health check path in target group to assess. Do health checking the container as you configure. I suggest you configure the health check path in target group. Health check. What happened to the health check? Is there some kind of health checking here? Health checking and so let's just open this particular one. Health, health. So there's no health check. Let's go to the ECS. Go to cluster. This one. Infrastructure. Services. This one. Deployments. Events. Health checks failed with this codes. What? Where are we defining the health check? Is it in here? Health check, health check, health checking, start period, health checking, how to disable health checking. Enter a command separated of lists that are determined. So the list will automatically be converted into a string array interval. After that, I get a couple running tests with different test definitions. AWS CodeDeploy stack on install. Right, ECS CodeDeploy step is taking a while. What exactly is involved in the step? Hi, you are mostly correct, but during the install step, the application being installed in a test set that is going to replace the old one, specifically during the install life cycle event. A replacement that is created. What? Um, I'm thinking the task container is being created. I'm trying to figure out how to reduce the time associated with the install step. Any help will be greatly appreciated. Especially the updated container is so that the second target is tested. As unclear exactly how long the step is taking, but in general, it's not a step that will be finished very quick. Then, like within a minute, because of the heavyweight activities going on. That said, you might want to see if the size of your container images is a factor. All the do da day, all the do da day. Do 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 do. Services go here. Test definition. Two are running. Logs. There's no logs. Go to deployment. Oh, 12 of years of my life and still trying to get back the strip heel of home for the destination. So after 30 minutes, if it's still, I will just quit. Alright, I think this is not going as planned. Stop the deployment. Stop it. Right, deployment was stopped and it was skipped. Um, let's go to our service. See if we can fix this here. Where is it where we will define the health checking? Is it in here? Auto scaling, advancing, service connect. Where is the install? There's a live hook, so after install, before install. Where is the install? All at once. Linear 10%. I'll just use all at once. Um, I'll go to task definition. This one. Let's create a new revision. Task diff. Health check. Um, Enter a command separated list that the container runs to determine if it's healthy. The list will automatically be converted into a string array. How do we do that? HTTP localhost. Okay. Curl F HTTP localhost. Yeah, I think we can follow this one. Maybe that one. Okay, put that in there. Or maybe customers, like that. Localhost customers. Interval timeout, the period and seconds to wait for a health check to succeed before it. Start period. Health check. So I say when you use the AWS, you go to the AWS repair and this and close the list of commands. You don't an exit code of 0 and is in indicate success and what if in our code here should redirect should the default route, so .NET default route. um, how do we do that again? I already forgot. I am the day, I am the light. My bones, Spanish ice. SP.NET Core main route. Yeah, we should always use Swagger. So if we do that in here, right, .NET run, yeah, this is going to give us Swagger, right? So this one, suffocate and array. Yeah, it's not giving the it's not giving the default use MVC. You try and you try, suffocate and rate. Semi so I can breathe. See, we can have. Na, 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 na. Yeah, so map controller route. .NET code, .NET code, .NET run. So make I can breathe. So we force you in, force you in. Tell me so I can breathe. We colors we can have what it was abandoned. I shoot. Oops. Retry deployment. Deployment configuration. bop, 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 come straight, 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 bam, bop, bop. Will still be the same. Up, 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 down straight, and up, up, up. Oh, wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait. Deployment configuration. So let's go to here, deployment group. Is there anything here that says deployment configuration? Service rule, load balancer, uh, task listener port, immediate. Yeah, this one should be 5 minutes. You understand? Make an effort. CodeDeploy defaults the ECS linear 10% every 1 minute. Looks like we made hold check, parameters, container, engine, load balancer, multiple health check, request to the container. Yeah, I don't understand this. I'll just go to sleep now, man. Alright, so let us clean up everything before we go. Let's clean up everything. Code project, we don't have any code project. And code pipeline. Alright, so let's go here and clean up, do the cleanup. do the cleanup. Let us do the cleanup. Ooh, do the cleanup. Let us do the cleanup. Ooh. So the service is, yeah, we need to, did we take note of the service? So our service, yeah, so this is our service. Then delete cluster, then delete this, then delete our bucket, then delete the load balancer. Our load balancer is this one. This is our load balancer. Let's execute it. What? Two back, two back, two back. Lay down your arms and surrender to me. Lay down your arms and let me peacefully. You surround and hold it tight, baby. I don't wanna fight no more. And then let's see what no, rushing day. I'm a soldier of love is what you hear. Lay down your arms. Then surrender to me. Lay down your arms and love me. Alright, so that's a wrap. We have to still have a long way to go. Fortunately, we'll have better progress. We just have a problem with deploying our .NET because maybe of the health check. So let's see here if we have set up some health check in here. Health check. What is this? Yeah, this is we need to open the ECS AWS, and then this is where we check about the health check. Yeah, no health check. No. Yeah, no health check. All right. So that's it, kids. That's it. And see you around. Get status. Yeah, see you around. This one needs to be uploaded to our friend. Is suffocate. Yeah, we don't have a code repository for this one. Code repo. Yeah, we don't have a repository for this. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks. See you around. Bye.